Hey Miner families, happy Maycember. It's been quite a week this week. This is the final executive director video for this school year, if you can believe it. And I really wanted to make sure to take today to tell you what a joy it is to work with your kids every day. They are really incredible, and we just feel so honored to get to have time with them every single day, pouring into them, helping them learn, and making a difference in their lives. And we also really enjoy working as much as we do with you. And so I wanted to take a minute to just extend that appreciation and say that we are looking forward to having a great summer and then coming back and having another fantastic school year, with the exception of one group, which is our graduating seniors. So huge shout out to all of those senior parents out there and to our senior class. What an incredible class you are. One of the biggest graduating classes we've ever had. This class of 2026. They graduate on May 16th, next Saturday, and we just wish them all the best and can't wait to see what they do beyond their time here at PRA. And we expect to see them for the homecoming football game this fall. We're planning a huge alumni event, so we expect to see you there. For all of our returning families next year, hope that you have a great summer. Take some time this summer to think about how you want to plug in at PRA next year, whether it's volunteering, giving back, maybe being on campus. We're going to try to host a few more virtual parent engagement events just to get everybody plugged in, or just wishing us well and sending us good thoughts. That works too. But we would love to continue in partnership with you. But most importantly, we hope that you have a really good summer, Miners, and can't wait to work with you again next year. All right, take care. Go Miners.